Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have seen in the previous session Nginx Helm Nginx installation. Like now we will do how to do Node.js our custom image. Okay, custom Docker image. So how to will update and how to will access for Node.js application. How to packaging the Helm, how to create the Helm chart for that one. Okay, so just now I have created a Docker image like Helm demo. So I have Dockerized an application like Docker images, and this is my image. I need to push this image to Docker Hub. Okay, Docker push image version. So in the previous session, in the middle, I unable to show you the Node.js. Okay, Node.js application using Helm chart how we'll deploy. And now I'm continuing that too in this session. Like okay, now I have pushed this one. So now I need to create, if you check now Helm list, I don't have any deployments. Okay. Now I need to create a Helm chart for Node.js. Okay. Helm create Node.js. This is the chart name. Okay. Now Helm chart is created for Node.js. Okay. Now if you check that state like structure of Node.js. Okay. But default structure only. Okay, now you have to make some modifications under values.ml. Okay, same thing you have to update it in deployments, how many pods values you need. Okay, so to access that one, cd node.js, so under values, I need to replica account. Okay, and the repository is my own repository, and my image is like generate dot slash hello world. Hello world Kubernetes, and tag is like v1. This is the name, image name. Now service type I need to use load balancer. My port is 8080. My application port is 8080. So in the Docker file I have exposed port 8080. Okay, these two changes I need to done here. And I'm saving this one, and I'm going to deployments templates. Okay, here you have helper dot TPL file. Okay, if you want to check, this is we have to write functions. Okay, all the deployment values, everything. If you want to check helper dot helper dot TPL. Okay, so you will have the Node.js name and chart name. Okay, release name. Okay, all the informations, chart name and versions are here. You can able to check labels, information. Okay, chart data, app version, release version, everything. It should be there. Now, if you want to go to deployment.ml file, okay, Here the app version, kind, okay, metadata name, spec, and labels. Here I need to change the spec. Okay, I wanted to updated this one, image name. So container port, I this is the manually it should have 80, right? So if you want, I can update it container port. It need to be picked from there itself. Okay, let me update from the value should be image under repository image dot repo dot this one. The same like image dot container port. Okay, now I don't want it to update it manually. Okay, I need to pick it from values.ml file. So I'm just removing this one. The value should be picked from container port. Okay, now I'm saving this one, and even values dot ml file also I need to expose port 8080, right? So I just need to add that container port VAE values. I need to add that tag also. 8080. Now I'm saving this Node.js one. These are the changes I did in the files. Okay. Now let me create a deployment, Helm deployment. So before that I can able to validate Helm lint Node.js. So one chart, okay, linted, zero fails. And you can dry run also Helm install Node.js deploy. Okay, hyphen dry run and Node.js name. So you able to see all the files, okay? So it's going to be created the deployment load balancer, okay? And endpoints, okay? Port 8080, okay? Now let me create that one. So currently I don't have any charts, okay? Now Helm install Node.js deploy something, okay? The deployment of chart name, okay? And Node.js. Now it is created, okay? Now if you check Helm list, it should be created. Now kubectl get deploy. Now these are not running. Now let me check kubectl get svc, sorry, svc. Now load balancer is done. Kubectl get pods, error image pulling something there. Okay, docker images. Let me check this one. cd node.js vi values done. So I'm giving proper name, image name. Okay, let me try one more time. Because of the pods are not getting generated due to that issue. Now let me Node.js 2 this time. If you check now, duplicate window, we'll see sudo -su kubectl get pods -watch container is creating. This time it should be able to get it. Okay, now kubectl get deploy. So now it should be working fine. Previously the error is uh, error image pool. Okay, the pods are not running because of image name is not available properly. So I have updated that one. Now if you check Helm list, okay, so we have two Helm deployments, okay, two Helm charts. Okay, if you go here and if you refresh, okay, the latest one is like the kubectl get. I wanted to access from a service, so the service file should be the latest one is this one A7022. Okay, this is the success one. So I need to see whether this I can able to access or not. Now it should be in service. So I'm copying this URL DNS name and the port 8080 I need to able to access. See, I'm getting hello world response. The port also should be 8080. Okay, 8080 through access this host port I need to able to access that one. See, I'm able to get the response. The previous one is not getting success, that's why the pods are not getting created. Okay, so if you check also you didn't able to get the response. See, this is a error, that's why it is not able to done properly. So we did Node.js application deployed using Helm. Okay, now if you want to remove the older version, okay, older release version, so you can release the my older one is this one. So whenever you delete it, it will be whatever the deployment services, okay, of all the related files, it should be deleted automatically, Kubernetes files. Okay, Helm uninstall and the chart name, deployment chart name. Now automatically it should be deleted from here also. If you refresh, so automatically it should be deleted. Now if you check Helm list, it should be only one this one. If you want to delete it, this one also, you can do a Helm uninstall. Okay, this deployment name. Okay, if you suppose you wanted to delete, you can delete this one also. Okay, that's all about in this Helm. I will updated next video like Helm commands, okay, functions, everything. Okay, thanks for watching.